Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are talking about 3D shapes this week in numeracy. Today, it's the cone and the cube's turn. How fun were those songs? Did you get to hear about what different things the cone and the cube can do? One of them can roll, and the other one just can't. Who can roll? The cone or the cube? Did you say cone? You are correct. All right, so again, having all sorts of 3D shapes out for your little learners to play and investigate and explore and discover is amazing. But today, we are going to make some ice cream cones. Yummy. So before we do that, you can either have colored construction paper or white paper. I've done a cone just with white paper, but that's boring. Should you decorate your cone when it's already rolled up or before rolling? I'm going to say before rolling is going to be a lot easier. So you're going to get some squares and you're going to decorate your cone whatever way you want. I'm going to put stars on the outside of this cone. You'll need some tape and some scissors and some help, maybe from an adult. And on the inside of my cone, I'm going to put polka dots. Don't forget, you must do both sides because you can see your cone down the middle. See? Woo! All right. So when you have your cone decorated the way you want it, and you can use markers or paints, you're going to start at one edge, one point, and you're going to start to roll, 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 roll. This is where it might get tricky. It might explode on you, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want a bigger cone at the top, you can make it explode a little bit. And then you're going to take some tape. This is where you might need some help. And you're going to put it along the seam so that your cone is able to be held. Now, I might not want a waffle cone. I might not want the end. So I'm going to take my scissors, I'm going to flatten it a bit, and I'm going to cut the tip off so I actually have a circle on the end, a cone, a point, and a top. And then I know that my cone rolls. It can stand on this end. Woohoo! Can it stand on the tip? Woo! You can make as many cones as you want today. All different shapes, sizes, bigger squares, smaller squares. And then maybe you can design some ice cream to put on top. And this is where my friend Cube is going to come in handy. Boom. What is this? We've been using these a lot in numeracy. These are dice, but what did we notice about dice? Are they cubes? They sure are. I'm wondering if we can make a little ice cream factory today, friends. Are you ready? Shall we play? Let's. Okay, so how many sides on a dice? What's the biggest number? Do you remember? Did you say 6? You're right. So that means if I'm using one dice, I need to make sure I have 6 scoops of ice cream ready. Hello, Play-Doh. So what shape are we using to form our scoops? Do you remember from the beginning of the week and talking about 3D shapes? Did you say sphere? Yepper duper. So you're going to roll 6 spheres out because we know that a dice, one dice, only goes up to 6. Here comes number 2. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Here comes number 3. I might have to switch colors. I'm running out of Play-Doh. I think I'm going to invite Blue to come to the party. There's 3. Okay. 4. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Making my ice cream. There's 5. Uh-oh. There we go. And I need how many more to make it to 6 if I've done 5? That's right, 1 more. Come here, Blue. Super duper scoop. Maybe someone's really hungry. I can make it extra big. There we go. All right, everybody. So when you've got your cone and your spheres and your cube, you can play this game. All right, going to the ice cream shop. I like to get organized. So I'm going to put my spheres to one side, my cone to one side, and my cube. Are we ready? How many scoops does this person get? 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Oh, man. What do we know about spheres? They roll away. That's okay. I'll try it again. I'm just going to pretend because Play-Doh does not taste like ice cream. I wouldn't recommend. And then you can keep playing and playing and playing. It's a super fun game. Cone, cube, sphere. Nice work. See you soon. Bye.